Hi everybody, it's the Juilliard here and welcome to the Artful Elements Studio. Today's project is a wax seal stamp. Now you will need to find you a wax seal stamp mold. These are great because they're designed specifically for wax seals and they have great heads. You're going to need a 2-part resin or a UV resin in this case. You can see these molds are designed specific because they have a threaded end, and that way when you cast the threads, the tips just screw right on, so you can change them out. And you're going to want to pick your favorite fusion film. Lots of colors to choose from and easy to use. Now I found a piece that I like. Now I will also say you want to try to choose one that is transparent or semi-transparent because I'm using UV resin. Now if you're using a 2-part, it's no problem. But I've just scrunched up the piece and put it in. Now just be careful not to distort the mold too much, okay? Now I'm going to put in a little bit of the UV resin. And that's just to fill up that threaded area. And I've hit it with the UV lamp to cure that. And now I'm going to go in and start pushing in the film the way I want it. Now you could add your mica powders to your resin, whatever you would like. And then that gets squeezed in there. You're going to let it kind of settle a little bit till it gets all the bubbles out. Just do it slowly and make sure you can warm it. And that will also help evacuate those bubbles. Now here I've just done it, cured it, and now it's time to pop it out. So I've just used a little bit of soapy water there, put it into the mold, and look at that. So easy, like butter. And see that threaded end? Oh wow, just perfect. This is gonna make a great gift. I may even have to keep this one for myself. You can have custom seals made. That's what's also cool. And so monograms, whatever, but they just thread onto the end and put that in a beautiful black box and woohoo, you're ready to go. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed and happy creating.